Woo! Look at the bitch braids.
What am I doing wrong? So as y'all can tell by the intro, this is my very first time doing a braided ponytail, and I clearly screwed it up, but I just wanted to show y'all because this is the reality of learning how to do your own hair. You know, it doesn't come out like, it doesn't come out perfect like it always does. So I'm just doing the regular diggler schmegler method like you would if you were slicking your hair back. I used some wet line gel. This was my very first time using this gel. It had a chokehold on the natural hair community, so I'm like 3 years late on it, but I was like, whatever, I'm gonna do it. So on to our first mistake. So I used entirely too much product. I think it was because I was using braided hair. I don't know what. I guess I don't know why I used too much product, but I did. So the next mistake was I did not use pre-stretched hair, and mistake number 3 is I was using too much hair. So y'all see that this braiding hair, just like deeper than hair says, this hair was getting a little gangster on me. So as y'all saw in mistake number 4, I was not braiding my hair with the braiding hair on top. So like you can clearly see my real hair on top. And mistake number 5 was using a different texture. So at this point in the video, I have switched out the braiding hair. So I had some pre-stretched hair and I had some hair that was not pre-stretched. I used the non-pre-stretched hair because it was longer. So I was like, okay, I can just use it, and then the hair, my braid will be down to my knees. I thought I was doing some, but you can see that clearly was not working. So you can see that I was braiding it and I was like, it's whatever. So I tried a different approach, and my different approach was the feed-in method. So if you already saw my knotless braid video, I kind of have the feeding in technique I don't have it down pat, but it's like I can do it, but you can see that it's not working. Like I tried it multiple times, and again, I think it's because my hair was sopped down with product that I was not able to grip it. And also I think that if I would have run my flat iron through my hair just a tad, not like bone straight, but I think that if I would have slicked it down that way, it would have worked. This looks so bad, so fucking bad. So as y'all can see, I was struggling. Like struggling was not the word. Like I had seen the videos on YouTube and they were like, no heat ponytail, and I was like, okay, I can do me a heat-free ponytail too. And I did me a heat-free ponytail, but it looked like trash. So this is the closest I could get. Like my ponytail was looking real boneless, so I dipped it, and you can see that I was struggling even dipping it too. It's just so depressing to watch. But that's pretty much it. Oh yeah, in this clip I'm just wrapping around another piece of hair because I wanted to hide the band like I see other people do. So I hope to come back to this hairstyle and come back with some more experience so I can redeem myself, but I don't have any pictures or videos of the final result because I was highly disappointed with the bonelessness of this ponytail. So if you like this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. All my social media will be down in the description box, as well as videos that I have uploaded in the past. With that being said, I'll see y'all in my next video.